LittleBlue. Sometimes, okay, normally I put it straight down and it will make a left turn to run into this mirror. Actually, it doesn't run into it normally. And there's a possibility that the robot may actually know that that's him or her approaching the mirror. It seems to go out of his way to intentionally go in that direction. And you can see clearly, a memory is actually encoded in those transistors there. The robot's a little front heavy, so I put this weight on the back and an iron hook under here trying to change the weight. And she keeps ringing things and gets her head caught and wears out the gears. So I built this little epoxy ramming structure. She actually broke her head off of the board, and unfortunately that changed the angle. I will try to fix that later on when I switch to metal gears. I currently have her head turned off with this little switch here, so that she doesn't use that. So she's always looking upward now, which of course isn't good. She tends to work better after she's been on constantly, and I try to keep her on constant in terms of the memory functioning. And the circuit on top is used to try to keep the memory in here sort of constant. She has a little speaker system that she makes interesting sounds, and she frequently will talk to me, like when I come to turn her on. And the way I turn her on is I plug in these wires in the back, and this is her memory system. So if I unplug that, she loses her memory and she starts from scratch again.